So once I was happy with the way this herringbone transfer looked on the drawers, to tie these bedstand tables all together, I made a paint wash and I added, it was a 50-50. So I added half Endless Shore. I'm guessing it was about a quarter of a cup, probably not even. And then a quarter of a cup of water to create this paint wash. And I applied 3 coats right onto the Rustic Herringbone Transfer. Another little challenge, you can see that it repels and beads up on the first layer of paint wash. So some patience and time is required when you're adding a wash onto a transfer. I used my heat gun to dry it in between coats, and I added 3 coats, a total of 3 coats of paint wash, waiting for each coat to dry in between. I have to admit, I loved the way this was looking because this herringbone wood was, when it was paint washed, it's actually looking very authentic, tying into these nightstands beautifully. And a paint wash is really easy to do and much more cost effective than using a stain. I did the exact same technique for the 2 raw wood side panels on these nightstands, and the wood only took 1 coat of paint wash since it absorbs really nicely. So you just add the paint wash on, and any excess I was wiping off with a blue shop towel.